Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mystic Roads. Tashichho Dzong. In this video, let me take you to witness the magnificent and majestic Tashichho Dzong in Thimphu. Tashichho Dzong, fortress of the glorious religion or fortress of auspicious doctrine, or popularly known as Thimphu Dzong, is an impressive structure that houses the throne room and offices of the king, the secretariat, and the ministries of home affairs and finance. The other government offices are located in the building nearby Tashichho Dzong. It's been the seat of the royal government of Bhutan since 1962, after the capital moved to Thimphu from Punakha. Tashichho Dzong is a fortress located about 2 kilometers away from the city of Thimphu in Bhutan. It had been constructed in 1641 and underwent several restorations since then. It currently serves both as a monastery and the central secretariat of the present government, also known as the Fortress of the Glorious Religion. It is founded right on the banks of the Wangchu River. It is a huge, majestic structure surrounded by beautiful gardens and well-kept lawns. There are 30 temples, chapels, and shrines within Tashichho Dzong. Originally built in 1216 AD, the original structure of the Tashichho Dzong was destroyed in a fire, with the current Dzong structure being newly rebuilt. A lovely rose garden in front of the building welcomes the visitors to the fortress. The manicured garden surrounding the building is a beautiful sight too. The tall building is a prominent landmark of Thimphu, with almost all sightseeing tours of the city beginning with a visit to this beautiful Dzong resplendent with a golden roof. The throne room, along with several offices of the monarchy, are situated within the Tashichho Dzong. Multiple government wings function from the fortress as well. The Kempo, or the central monastic body, however, have made it their summer residence and leave for Punakha Dzong in the winter. The fortress is also known as Thimphu Dzong, and the site has been witness to crucial moments in the history of Bhutan. The fortress was first constructed in 1216 AD by Lama Gyalwa Langpa and rebuilt by Zhabdrung Ngawang Namgyel in 1641 and renamed from Do Nong Dzong to its current name of Tashichho Dzong. The fortress consisted of two dzongs, the original and the lower dzong, built by the Zhabdrung. After the original Dzong was destroyed by fire in 1771, everything was moved into the lower Dzong, which is now known as Tashichho Dzong Fortress and has been expanded several times over the centuries. The fortress was again damaged during the 1897 earthquake and rebuilt in 1902 and was renovated completely under King Jigme Dorji Wangchuk and enlarged in a period of 5 years from 1962. Tashichho Dzong became the seat of the government of Bhutan and the location of the throne room and the offices of the King of Bhutan and the secretariat. The northern part of the fortress is the central monastic body and the summertime residence of the Kempo and the summer capital of the country. The Dzong has also hosted the National Assembly until 1993. Not at all like other dzongs in Bhutan, Tashichho has two primary doorways. One head to the south of the administrative division and other one leads to the north to the monastic division. When you visit Tashichho Dzong during a sightseeing tour to Bhutan, you will find that it is as impressive as the other dzongs. The impressive structure has served the seat of the government since 1952 and today it consists of the throne room, office of the king, secretariat and the ministries of home affairs and finance. Another fact of the Tashichho Dzong is that it lies in the close proximity to Thimphu, right next to the banks of river Wangchu. Well-manicured lawns surrounding it on all sides with beautiful gardens. It has served as the seat of the government of Bhutan since 1968 and houses the throne room. It is additionally the headquarters for Bhutan Central Monastic Body, which opens up for the visitors after 5:30 p.m. To the west of the Dzong is a small tower, Nekang Lakang, which houses a statue of Sakyamuni Buddha and other protective deities. In 1953, the royal family took up residence in the Dechencho Ling Palace, located in the north of Tashichho Dzong. The popular annual 3-day Thimphu Sheichu festival is also held in Tashichho Dzong in the month of September. Tashichho Dzong, which means the fortress of the propitious religious conviction, was the summer capital of the nation and routinely was the seat of the religious body. The Dzong is encompassed by a lovely yard with rose garden in front of the building and welcomes the tourists into this beautiful fortress. Around the building is a manicured garden and it is such a delight to have a look at it. The majestic Bhutan-styled house showcases exactly what its name represents. Majestic architecture, very ornate exterior and interior, a magnificent assembly hall adorned with many traditional delicate patterns, etc. You can visit the Dzong to discover its stunning and authentic architecture. Tourists can witness and experience the unique combination of institutional workplace and monastic discipline. The Dzong has temples and chapels within the structure where monastic life can be seen. The fortress illuminates into a beautiful body during the night time and the ones who look at it are left mesmerized. Hence, visit this palace at night for an impressive view as the Dzong is at its most splendid appearance from outside when the light comes out on at dusk. The Dzong is an impressively iconic landmark of Bhutan that you should not miss while visiting Thimphu.